Beep, beep.
Beep, beep.
Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. I'm out in Tennessee and I'm with Everett. Everett, your last name?
Rutledge.
Now we're doing Steve Breedlove's cars, but you did a lot of work on this car. So let's take a look. What year, make, and model is this one?
It's 1970 Road Runner.
1970 Road Runner. So let's take a look at our featured attraction. Come right alongside me. And this one, well, you can see it wants to run down the road. What was, first of all, how long has Steve had this one?
This one here, I think since 18 probably.
2018. Why this car out of all the cars in the world?
Well, he was wanting a Road Runner and he wanted the green one on this one, so we did find one. He wound up purchasing it and we redid it for him.
Now, how long did it take to restore this one?
It actually, me and the guys at the shop, it actually took us 9 months on this one. It
Wow.
was a little bit quicker than most.
Quicker than most. Okay, got it. The air grabber there. If you're inside the car, you're going to see the 440. I thought the 446 with the air grabber looking like a fighter pilot was so great. Come right alongside me. Were there any difficult parts to putting this car together? Like you're like, this just took us forever.
It was a lot of research on this car. It was basically an original car, but some of the things had been changed throughout the years because it was used for a drag car. So we had to do a lot of research on the bolts and nuts and the markings and stuff so we could put it back 100% original.
Love when they look like they came from the factory because it's a time traveler. And this runner with the dog dishes is no exception to that. As we look at the back, is that white stripe reflective?
Yes, it is.
I thought that was the case. And as we get a little bit closer, the 70 Road Runner, the Road Runner there. We've got that piece right there. Let's open the trunk, shall we? We've got some treats in there for some people. Original Mopar door edge protector parts, as you can see. What I wanted to show you is the Galen Gouvier registration for this car, making it the real deal. I mean, the trunk, the spare tire, everything looks just fantastic. How proud of you were you when you got this one done?
We was real proud of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the first Road Runner that we did back original, 100% back original.
Yeah.
And it was labor of love, really, but it was nice to do.
Got it. And anybody who wants to call you, I'm going to give you a little tip in there, all right? We can call you. We'll close that. May I open it?
Yes.
Thank you. As we come over here, 1169. For those of you who are younger watching going, wait, why is it a 69 and it's a 70? That's how it used to be. The cars would come out in September for the new model year. So when you saw a car like this, the built-in 69 actually meant a 1970 car. Great inserts on the seats, right? I mean, just really looks good. Just fantastic. You've got the beep beep horn. I know people want me to turn the wheel a little bit for you there. Let me do this. The sun just came out. I don't want you to miss this. We'll close that for just a second. And the sun just came out for a second. Like that. Wow. All right, we'll go back to the interior of the car. Your door insert there. The silver matches the silver here. There's your instrumentation. The other thing that makes this car special is it has the right amount of pedals. And not only a Hurst, but the pistol grip Hurst. Maybe I can do that. as you can see, where your hand fits accordingly, like so. Letting you know which direction. Got the day-night mirror, the great hood there. Also got a Road Runner over there. You don't want to miss that. This is the air grabber that you see hood. It opens with that toggle. You have your instrumentation. I'll try to put it right there for you so you can see what the driver sees. Is this 37,000 original miles or 137?
Original miles.
Wow.
This was the drag car most of its life.
So it went just quarter mile at a time.
Right.
Look at that, 10 after 10. Just like all the marketing right there. Perfect timing.
I think they called it a
Tick-tock-tack.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got the perfect timing there on that. Why do I say the perfect timing? You'll now go to some magazines and look at watches, and you'll see them at 10 after 10. And that second hand in that 6 position like we just showed you there. And the all-important beep beep Road Runner sound. Let's open the hood, shall we?
Yeah.
When did you start working on cars?
I've loved them my whole life.
Yeah. So, but when did you start like getting proficient at it? Let's put it that way. When you thought, I can do this not only as a kid, but I could do this for the rest of my life.
Right. I worked on motorcycles for the first part of my life, and I did this kind of as a hobby at my house.
Mm-hmm.
And the hobby got so big that I turned it into a business.
Yeah. Good for you. I love that American spirit. There's your air grabber assembly. Vacuum here. You don't want to miss your voice of the Road Runner there. Look at that. Little coyote. That there. Was it the challenge of like decoding the car and just making it better? Yeah.
Yes, it was. The research we done was like on the nuts and bolts.
Yeah.
And which ones had paint, like the battery cable on this is supposed to have paint on it from the factory because it was on the engine when it was painted.
Okay.
The studs that holds the wiper motor on are supposed to have the body color on the ends because they was painted and the ends was showing.
Okay.
And just little things like that was.
Yeah, I see that. Isn't that interesting? I love the learning about these things. I even see like the yellow here.
Right. All of that was researched and put back the way it was supposed to be.
I call them kind of the upside down exhaust manifolds where they're sticking up instead of going down, right? And it's up on this side and up on this side like so. Yeah, you can see that. All right, let's fire it up, shall we?
Yes.
Nothing like that 1970s Chrysler wine starter, right?
Right.
Let's step on the brakes for a second. Oh, listen to this fire-breathing dragon. Go ahead, give it a rev. Puff the magic Road Runner. What do we have here? We've got the braking system. I think it's time to take this one for a ride.
All right.
You know what that is right there? That just flew over? That was a Super Bee. So here we are in the 1970 Plymouth Road Runner 440 6-pack. How's it feel?
Feels great.
It does feel great.
Like we're back in time.
Yeah, right back in time. we're back. Both of our hair just turned black.
Yes.
Yeah, this is great.
Really?
This is good stuff right here. Oh my. That pistol grip feel good in your hand?
Feels good.
Yeah. We got the 440 there reminding us. We'll give you a little bit of what we've got here for some territory. Oh, that's great. 2-lane highway out in Tennessee. Just enjoying the beauty. Look at this. Lived here your whole life?
Yes.
Okay.
Born and raised here.
So what's that?
I was born
and raised.
here.
Got it. All right. Ever want to live anywhere else?
Yeah.
No. This is it, huh? Heaven on earth.
Heaven on earth.
I talked to the girl when I got some food today for breakfast,
Yeah.
and she said something about loot. I walked over to the they had still a coin box there, and I said it says talk to God. It says 25 cents. She goes, yeah, from here in Tennessee it's a local call.
Good.
I said, okay. Oh, this is great stuff. It don't get much better than that. Just driving through, letting this one rip a little bit.
No, I don't.
No, this is good stuff. How long you been working on Steve's cars?
Oh, since early 2000s when he bought his first one, the black one.
He started to get the fever, and then the relationship started.
It started growing, and we keep one or two of his at the shop all the time.
That's great stuff.
We're finishing up a 05 or an 07 Mustang GT right now for his
Nice.
great grandson.
For his grandson, how good is that?
It's
Well,
cool.
that's good. Everett, thanks so much for taking this one out. What a great job you and your team have done on this one. Thanks so much for being on My Car Story.
Thank you for your invitation.
You guys, we got a little bonus footage for you. You're saying, who's this guy driving the car here with the pistol grip? Who's this?
Joey.
Joey, he's my son. He's the one who does all the editing, so a little bonus footage. How's it feel driving it?
Feels good.
Good. Let's put it in second gear. You got gas?
Got some.
Some gas. All right, good. Got a couple of cars coming in down there. Some of the bonus are coming with Dad once in a while.
Oh yeah. It's good cars.
Getting to drive a 70 Road Runner 440 with a pistol grip shifter. That's a real treat. What's the go to stop sign, make a right. What's the first car you drove a stick shift on?
Oh, your Viper.
The Dodge Viper. How old were you?
16.
I think you were 15. I think it is blue slip or something like that, or it's permit. Make sure we have nobody coming to the right. All right, here we go. Getting used to it. There you go. You're smooth on 4. How's it feel driving around Tennessee?
Feels good.
Nice.
Roll Tide.
Good stuff right there. All right, guys. I just want to have a little fun, a little bonus footage with you, a little father-son time here. Thanks, guys.